All right, so this is our trend line and forecasting. So this is that first example, the one where we've got year and number of schools. So as I already talked about with the on the show me that's there, and here we go to our statistics. So in list one is what we're going to put the year, and so what we're going to do for the year, rather than using 1981, 1982 and so on, we're just going to use a time code. So time code 1 for 1981, 2 and so on. Ten would be 1990, and so 1991 is time code 11. And then we put in the number of schools is what this is. I don't know what about it, the number of schools doing something or whatever, what it doesn't, don't quite know what that is, so putting that in. 21, 24 for the next year. Try and concentrate here so I won't make any mistake with the data entry. Uh, 2059. And hopefully finally, there we go. All right, so we've got our data that's there. So list one, that's our time code, so that's our time, and list two is our number of schools. So if we want to make some prediction, and the prediction is asked about the number of schools in 2015, we then need to find an equation of the least squares regression line. So we should know how to do that. Calculate regression, linear reg, we've done this plenty. So our time is in list one, so that's good. List two is our number of schools, and so that looks all good. So then we go OK, and here's our information. So you need to make sure you write this down. So negative 14.09 for your A, 2169.90 for your B. Your R is negative 0.99, so you can see that's pretty good. All right, so we've got that data written down. I'll just click on OK here, but in terms of the question, we've got all the information we need. And so now when you go back to the show me, and that's I continue with that information, making the equation and then finding the number of schools in 2015 on the show me. So have a look at the show me there. All right, so when we go OK, it graphs it for us. Not that we need that here in this one, but as you can see, it's not too bad. All right, so that's the first example.